Do you want to learn powerful English words without boring textbooks? Then stay with me. Today, we'll dive into an exciting short story set in the misty hills of India, and along the way, you'll discover 10 advanced English words used in real context. Get ready to boost your vocabulary, improve your pronunciation, and enjoy a little mystery too. Let's begin.
The mysterious guest. It was a cold, rainy evening in the peaceful hill town of Conceal. The clouds had covered the mountains, and the sound of thunder echoed through the valley. Inside shanty guest house, a few locals gathered around a fireplace, sipping masala chai and chatting about politics and cricket. Suddenly, the door creaked open. A tall figure stepped in, wrapped in a black shawl, water dripping from their umbrella. Everyone turned to look.
Namaste,
The stranger said, their tone calm and eloquent. Every word was so graceful, it made people pause. They looked like someone from a city, but no one could say for sure. Mr. Mehta, the guest house owner, approached politely. Yes, how can we help you? I just need a place to stay for the night, the guest replied, placing a small suitcase on the wooden bench. Their presence stirred intrigue among the others. Who could they be, traveling alone in this weather? The guest chose a seat by the fire and observed quietly, their eyes shrewd, almost as if reading everyone's thoughts. Mrs. Verma, the retired schoolteacher, tried to chat. Bad weather today, isn't it? Yes, the guest replied, curt, but not impolite. Their sentences were short and often cryptic, leaving everyone more curious than before. Rumors started spreading. They might be a writer, said the chaiwala. Maybe someone hiding from the city rush, added another. But the villagers of Conceal were known for being hospitable. They offered hot pakoras and a warm shawl. The guest thanked them with a slight smile. Still, that night, no one really slept. Mr. Mehta stayed vigilant, checking from the hallway now and then, just to be sure. The next morning, the rain had stopped, and the hills looked fresh and clean, but the guest was gone. Vanished without a sound, leaving behind only their suitcase inside. A handwritten letter to the kind people of Conceal. Thank you for your kindness. I am just a traveler seeking silence in a noisy world. Please don't try to find me. I enjoy my obscure life. No name. Only a red thread tied around the letter, a symbol of something deeper. Mrs. Verma smiled. Whoever it was, they had such charisma. Mr. Mehta nodded. And they surely knew how to conceal their story.
Hope you understood the story. I know you might have been stuck on some of the words that were new to you. So, I've jotted down 10 of the most difficult words from this story. They are eloquent, intrigue, shrewd, curt, cryptic, hospitable, vigilant, obscure, charisma, conceal. Now, let's go through each word one by one with its meaning. I'll share the example from the story and also give you another example to help you understand it better. And yes, carefully observe how I pronounce these words as well. Eloquent. Meaning: speaking in a fluent and graceful way. Examples:
Namaste,
the stranger said, their tone calm and eloquent. Every word was so graceful, it made people pause. Her eloquent speech moved the entire audience to tears. Intrigue. Meaning: to arouse curiosity or interest. Examples: their presence stirred intrigue among the others. Who could they be? The magician's tricks intrigued the children. Shrewd. Meaning: very smart or clever in practical matters. Examples: the guest observed quietly, their eyes shrewd, almost as if reading everyone's thoughts. He's a shrewd businessman who knows how to make good deals. Curt. Meaning, brief and a little rude. Examples. Yes, the guest replied, curt but not impolite. The boss gave a curt reply and walked away. Cryptic. Meaning, mysterious or having a hidden meaning. Examples. Their sentences were short and often cryptic, leaving everyone more curious. She left a cryptic message that nobody could understand. Hospitable. Meaning, friendly and welcoming to guests. Examples. The villagers of Conceal were known for being hospitable. Even though we were strangers, they were extremely hospitable. Vigilant. Meaning, watchful and alert to danger or problems. Examples. Mr. Meta stayed vigilant, checking from the hallway now and then. Security guards must be vigilant at all times. Obscure. Meaning, not well known or difficult to understand. Examples. I enjoy my obscure life, the letter read. The artist was obscure during his lifetime but became famous after death. Charisma. Meaning, a natural charm that attracts people. Examples. Mrs. Verma smiled. Whoever it was, they had such charisma. The actor has charisma that draws people in, even off screen. Conceal. Meaning, to hide or keep something secret. Examples. Mr. Meta nodded. They surely knew how to conceal their story. She tried to conceal her nervousness during the interview. Now that you've learned 10 powerful words, try using at least 3 of them in your own sentence in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more story-based English learning.